Oh my gosh, that's actually got my signature on it.
You signed the wrong card, and it jumped. Your signature jumped onto your card.
Unless there's like a printer. Well, no,
no
because
dupes, no printers, nothing. So I created this 2016. I wanted a method to be able to take a playing card, have someone sign it, and then that signature jump to a different card, but on the face signature, and no duplicating the signature. So that really is your signature. You could have drawn any symbol.
I can totally tell. That is cool though.
Do you think it's alright?
Cool though.
It's good, isn't it? Use your hand.
That's nuts though, because you can't. I would never have worked that out.
That is the real secret to it.
Love it.
Very, very cool, isn't it?
Very cool. Very cool.
Welcome back to another episode of Fooler. Today you're in for a special one. Kayleigh's never seen this trick before, which I'm really excited to show you. We're going to see if it works. And this is an important one to see if it fools you or not.
Okay.
You ready for this?
Yep. I'm not liking all these secrets, mind. Not showing me stuff.
I'll teach you how to do this.
Okay, cool.
Select cards. Because suspicious she is already.
I know, I'm always suspicious of you.
Okay, so let's get into frame a little bit so everyone can see.
Okay.
Say stop and you like.
Stop.
Right there?
Yeah.
What we have to do is remember that card.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Remember it. Say it to yourself in your head a couple of times, like whatever it is. Don't tell me what it is.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the interesting part. Do you want me to shuffle or do you want me to leave it in the middle?
No, shuffle.
Shuffle?
Yeah. You don't know where it is.
Okay. If I've done my job correctly,
Yeah.
this is the difficult part. Your card should have come to the top.
Nope.
That's actually not it.
No.
It wasn't the Jack of Clubs.
No.
Okay. Take this trusty pen and put your initials in the middle of the Jack. Or drop the lid. That's
I've
fine.
messed it up already.
Okay,
There you go. Yeah.
Okay. Leave the
Magic.
pen.
That was a magic blow.
That's fine. You can leave that there, or you can just go down.
I did.
Hold your hand out. You'd remember the Jack if you've seen it again, right?
Yeah.
Cool. That's it. So, think about what's happened so far. You picked a card, remembered it. I did a terrible job of getting it correct. There's something going crazy down there in the box.
It's a toy.
It's a toy going crazy in the box.
It's timing us.
And then we got it wrong. This is called a magician in trouble plot. So, then the wrong card was the Jack of Clubs.
Yeah.
And we know it again, because if we see it again, it has your name on it.
Yeah.
What was, for the first time, what was the card that you thought of?
The King of Hearts.
The King of Hearts. And to tell everyone at home, there's no setup in any way beforehand.
No.
Right?
Well, it would be pointless. Oh, this whole thing would be pointless if it was.
Well, yeah, it doesn't make the test very fair.
No.
Okay, would you be impressed if that Jack of Clubs was your King of Diamonds? Was it Hearts?
King of Hearts.
King of Hearts. Would you be impressed that Jack of Clubs became the King of Hearts?
Well, yeah, but I signed the Jack, so.
But also, you also know magic a little bit, so you know who I'm
Yeah.
doing. But would you be impressed if that signed Jack of Clubs turned into your King of Hearts with your signature?
Now that would be more impressive, yes.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
For real, no for the camera?
No.
Pointless click. No need to click. Pointless blow. Go ahead, turn over Jack Clubs.
Oh my god, it's got my name on it.
Yeah, genuinely got your signature on it.
Oh my gosh, that's actually got my signature on it. I signed the Jack.
Yeah, for sure. And I know because you're my wife, people could think this can be set up in advance.
I signed the Jack. That is actually my writing. That's not your writing.
No. That's your signature.
What? No. But I signed the Jack.
So, really quickly then, while it's fresh in your head,
Yeah.
Fooler.
Wait a minute. I will get this one.
Did it fool you?
No.
No?
No, it totally has.
No, go on, tell them what you think.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know how you've done it. Because I saw the Jack. I was signing the Jack. Unless all the cards in the deck have my signature on, but I wrote...
No, it's only one signature. You could have written anything. You could have written a random word.
I know, because I know my K's. And that's my K.
But I could have had you sign a card last week and change it, but this is genuinely, this is you could have written like a random
this is so
word.
annoying. I know I'm going to kick myself when I know the method.
Mm-hmm. You might do.
What do I know?
You've never seen this before.
But do I know anything to do with the method, like palming or, you know, anything like that? Nothing.
Yeah, you'll know things like
Okay. So when you did the wrong card
Yeah.
to get to the jack, but then why would you make me sign a jack?
Okay, great.
Oh, so annoying.
Right, Fooler then.
Yeah, totally.
Actually fool for real, not
Actually for
real.
real. Oh, this one's really annoying.
Creativity.
Yeah, because I don't know what it's done. I don't know how it's done.
You signed the wrong card, and your signature jumped onto your card.
Unless there's
no,
like a printer. Well, no,
no
because
dupes, no printers, nothing.
unless it sticks to the other card and it imprints, but that's the right way round.
Nope.
Oh, this is a really annoying one.
And then entertainment.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
I didn't really present it because I'm just
the presentation, like the reveal was way bigger than the presentation of it, but it's still really annoying. I don't know.
Creativity, entertainment, Fooler.
I think it's
bonus
5.
point?
I think it's 5s.
Bonus point?
I don't know if I give it a bonus point just because it's a card trick, because I don't know.
That's a pretty miraculous card trick, though. You just signed a card, a completely different card in the deck, and the signature.
All right, yeah.
No, I'm not going to talk you into it.
Oh, I don't know. I just really want to work it out.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really cool.
All right. Okay, so
Could I perform it?
yes, yeah. It's pretty simple.
I'm not that good, so he goes, well,
I'm gonna show. Do you want to see the method?
yeah, totally.
All right. So I created this in 2016.
Oh, it was yours.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, I
why
can tell you.
he was gunning for a bonus point now, wasn't he?
Did I get one?
Oh, go on then.
No. No, I don't want to force it out of you.
No, just because it's yours.
So I created this in 2016. I wanted a method to be able to take a playing card, have someone sign it, and then that signature jump to a different card, but on the face signature, and no duplicating the signature. So that really is your signature. You could have drawn any symbol.
I can totally tell.
I hope the camera can pick this up nice and clean.
I can really, really see it.
I use
It's totally mine.
silver
Silver
because it stands
Sharpie.
out a lot more than the black to the eyes.
Yeah.
But
There you go. There it is. It's upside down, but
yeah, black gets sort of lost on there.
it's totally mine.
Yeah, I know that. You could have done anything. So this is I'm going to show you.
Yeah.
We're going to blur it out for everyone at home, though.
Come on then.
Okay, ready? So this bit's
Yeah.
not going to be aired.
Okay. Go.
I'm just going to jump in here really quickly before I show Kayleigh the secret. Now, as you know, every single Tutorial Tuesday, I share with you brand new creations, ideas that I've come up with on YouTube completely for free. But there are some things that I've spent years and years working on that I consider more of my closely guarded secrets. I read to and reply to as many comments as possible, and one of the more popular comments I get is, can I teach some of these more closely guarded secrets, some of the stuff that I think is my absolute best work? And I've been trying to rack my brains to think of a way where I can share these ideas but not give them out to the entire world. And one of the suggestions was to do it in a membership. And I wasn't too sure about opening up a membership or not, so I ran a poll in the live Sunday service. And over 70% of you voted yes to me opening up a YouTube membership. So in there, if you really want to learn the good stuff, if you really want to learn the gold, my best work, then you can. I'm sharing it with all of you, but we're just not going to broadcast it to the entire world of YouTube. And one of the very first things I'll be sharing in the membership is this signature transposition. I love it so much. I created it 6 years ago, and it's such a deceptive piece of magic. There'll also be a bunch of other exclusive tutorials ready to go from the moment the membership opens. So keep your eyes on my channel for more news and information about when I launch the membership. Comment down below. Let me know if you're excited. Let me know if you're going to be one of the very first people to sign up, and let me know what you want me to teach you inside that inner circle. All right, let's go and see Kayleigh's reaction to the secret.
That is cool though.
Do you think it's that right?
Cool though.
It's good, isn't it? You do that, do this, and then yeah, I can just put that in your hand.
That's nuts though, because you can't. I would never have worked that out.
No.
That's simple.
Well, that's the thing. You've got all these
That-
crazy methods out there for like printers and duplicating
That's
things.
where I went. That's exactly where I went. Mm-hmm. Never have thought of doing it like that.
Yeah.
Clever little mind, haven't you?
But it's one of those things in magic. Everyone wishes they could do this effect, and there's so many crazy methods for it, and then I come up with this. And the extra bit is.
I love that trick. That's so good.
So that is the real secret to it.
Love it.
Very, very cool, isn't it?
Very cool. Very cool. I could do that. I could totally do that. I can't, because I can't do. I can't.
You could. You could have a go at it.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw it. I'm literally gonna throw it. I hope you all enjoyed that episode of Fuller.
Yes.
This is my wife, Kayleigh. Congratulations to the, I'd say, 10% of you that were able to spell Kayleigh's name right.
Yay.
Or, as you've now been crowned, Sister K
Oh my
by the
goodness.
Sunday service by the chapel. Apparently, hashtag PTL, Sister K, the Messiah is sleeping upstairs. We will see you
Thank
all.
the Lord, he's sleeping.
You don't have to thank me, thank yourself. I will see you all on Sunday for the live Sunday service. As always, I'll be back on Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesday. And if you haven't done so already and you enjoyed seeing these videos, then don't forget to press the...
Subscribe button.
I don't know what that was.
No way. Do you want to do that again?
We'll see you all on Sunday for the live Sunday service, as always. And then we'll see you next Tuesday for another Tutorial Tuesday, as always. And if you like these videos and you want to keep watching them and keep supporting us, then all you need to do is press the...
Subscribe button.
There's a bit of a delay, Kale.
Sorry.
All you need
Working
to do
on it.
press the...
Subscribe button.
Press the...
Subscribe button.
Okay, all you need to do is... Press...
No, come on.
Then all you need to do is hit the...
Subscribe button.
Oh, that sound. There's going to be an explosion there or something. Alright guys, thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you all very, very soon. Peace.